I'm organizing a creative coding competition. Your challenge, if you choose to accept it, is to take this video footage and code a visual effect on top of it. It can be anything you want as long as you do it with code. If you need inspiration, I have a bunch of tutorials on the channel. I demoed them with a marker, but this is just a bigger version of it. To participate, join my Discord. I've set up a channel for it. You'll find the resources to get started, a place to submit, and one for asking questions. The criteria for winning the competition are originality, code quality, robustness, meaning if I try to give it a little bit different footage, will it still work? Then we have efficiency. Could I get the effect in real time, in front of the camera? And you'll get an extra point if you figure out how long the string is. You'll also have to explain how you did it. I'll make a video next week summarizing how things are going, maybe showcasing some submissions if there are any. But the deadline is on September 5th. After that, I'll make another video showcasing all submissions. I'll review them one by one, and I can add your name there and contact info if you want. The winners will get the opportunity to make a video explaining their solution. I can promote your video or host it on my channel. It's up to you. Winners can also get 2 credit points registered at Karelia University of Applied Sciences. So if you come study someday in Finland, you completed part of the credits already. Hope you like the competition and decide to participate. See you guys.